Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
And supportive of our children and nurtured our 9 adorable grandchildren, David, Boluwatife, Iremofetide, Moyoluwa, Odesiluoluwa, Ayodeji, Irioluwaposi, Zion, and Michael. She was a mother to many, including her stepchildren, nieces, nephews, cousins, and children of friends, caring for each without bias. During her years of employment, Mrs. Morayo Balogun worked with the National Commission for Museums and Monuments from 1980 and retired after a meritorious 35 years of service in 2015. She worked in various stations across a number of states, returning to higher education a number of times to develop her career in accounting first, through the Federal Polytechnic in Osogbo, and then the University of Jos. Being a hardworking and enterprising woman, on retirement, she went into the hospitality industry by rendering catering services to various companies that included MTN, the Ikeja Electricity Distribution Company, Lagos Inland Revenue Services, and many others. She also catered for events and conferences despite being financially blessed. With this, she helped countless people put food on their tables. She was a strong and relentless woman who remains a big inspiration and source of strength to all. Mrs. Juliana Morayo Balogun was a very spiritual woman who believed so much in the power of prayers and faith. She was a member of a number of churches at various times, such as the Eternal Sacred Order of the Morning Star and St. Michael Star Church. Morning Star and St. Michael's Star Church were where she was born into and ordained to the rank of a supervising mother. The Redeemed Christian Church of God, Mountain of Fire and Miracle Church, and the Christ Apostolic Church. She served in the Lord's vineyard diligently until he received her on his bosom.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.